Okay, so much like when you create a theme, we need to have a heading on our main plugin file. Okay, so this is our functions file. This just so you get an idea of each one of these is going to do. This is going to style whatever we create inside of our plugin. This one in here, the one that's inside the includes, the one that has functions on the end of it. This is going to do the heavy lifting of actually doing what we want our function to do. And then the one that resides just inside of the folder, the plugin folder, the myalertplugin.php, that one is actually just there as a heading and to load in the files. That's all it's going to do. So just like when we have a theme and we have to have that heading file in order for the user to know what it is, like to give information to WordPress, we need to do the same thing here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start off with our PHP, right? And then what we got to do basically a comment. So like this, boom, and let's go ahead and close that, and this, and boom. All right. Now, inside of here, we're going to give it a plugin name. Plugin, for some reason, I can't seem to plug in name, and we're just going to call it My Alert Plugin. And then the description will be this, and this will add an alert at the top of the page. I'm just going to go ahead and do view. I don't know why this isn't on by default. At the top of the page. Okay. Literally all we're going to do is we're just going to add something. It just says like store is currently closed, and it's just going to be a little strip on the top. It's just to show you how this would work, but you could do whatever you wanted. And then we'll just do author. We're not going to get too robust with this. Obviously, we could add more information, so I'm just going to do John Cohn. You can just do your name. Okay. So this is the information that WordPress will read. So when we go to activate it, this is what it will read as kind of the base information. I need this to do one other thing though, and that's to actually load in the functions. Because right now it's going to read this, and that's where it's going to end. It's not going to do anything other than just have this. I want it to, when it reads this, because this is its point of contact, when it reads this, I want it to open up this. So I'm going to add code to tell it to run the functions thing I have over there, the functions document. So we're just going to go ahead and we'll do require once, okay? And it's going to be plugin underscore directory underscore path, and it's going to be underscore underscore all caps file underscore underscore inside parentheses. I know it's like it's a weird syntax. I don't really quite understand what that is. But basically, we're saying, I want you to get this file. And this is the, oh man, look at, I can't spell plugin. So it's going to look at the plugins directory path, which is basically wherever this guy is. I want you to look through there. And then, so obviously, it's going to start at this master folder, and then we have to direct it past that. So we want it to go to the includes, because that's where this folder is, includes / my hyphen social hyphen, or not social, why did I write social? My alert hyphen plugin hyphen functions dot php. Right? My alert functions dot php. Yep. Like that, and then we'll put a semicolon on the end of it. Okay, so literally what's going to do is to say you only need to open it once, but I need you to open and run once the file path here, and we get that through the directory that this plugin is in, and then it adds on top of that includes, because that's this folder here, and so on and so forth. So we'll just go ahead and save that. That should be good for this section. Let's go ahead and just go to the plugins, and we'll just activate this because you'll be able to see it actually working. So I don't know, did we, oh yeah, we already have this open, right? So let's go here. So I'm just going to go to the dashboard. Let's click on the name up here, and you're going to go to plugins, and then we'll just go to, you just go to install plugins. You can just click on plugins, it'll bring it to you. Because the plugin is technically installed. When they say installed, it literally just means downloaded. That means it's just in your folder, which we've been making it in the folder, so it's installed. Okay, so it says My Alert Plugin. and we just have to activate. You see, this will add an alert top page by me, So activate plugin, and now that plugin will be activated. And hopefully there's no issues. You'll get all these errors and stuff if it doesn't work right. Let's go ahead and just click back on the front of the site again. I just wanted to activate it. And we'll just make sure that there's no, it shouldn't do anything. We don't have it doing anything yet, but we'll just make sure that it's at least kind of, that there's no major errors. Plus, when we preview it, we're going to need to preview it from the front of the page anyhow. So, and yeah, so, okay, looks good. We made it look uglier by adding our child theme, but that looks good, at least as a start. So we have it somewhat working.